Ever since Apple ditched Intel processors, they've been making some really good advancements in their processors. M1 was very fast. The M2 lineup catered to almost every casual and professional users. And now we have the M3 processor lineup, which is insanely powerful. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video, we'll be unboxing and sharing our first look at the newly launched top-of-the-line 14-inch MacBook Pro with M3 Max processor. So let's get started. The packaging remains the same more or less. We have the MacBook Pro image up top with the default wallpaper that Apple showcased in their scary fast keynote. We have the eco-friendly seals at the back. Let's just peel them off. We're greeted with the laptop, which we'll keep aside for now. Here's the black-colored braided USB Type-C to MagSafe charging cable for the MacBook. Next, we have the documentation, and underneath this, we get a 96-watt USB Type-C charging brick. Now, the highlight of this video is the 14-inch MacBook Pro in space black color option. We have a darkened Apple logo up top, just like all the previous grey MacBook models. Just to give you a reference of how different this color is, here's an example for you. I kept my MacBook Air M1 in space grey color right next to it. This one is a lot darker and sadly prone to fingerprints a lot more. It sports 3 USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, an SDXC card slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a MagSafe 3 charging port, and a full-sized US keyboard with Touch ID built in, and Force Touch trackpad. This one keeps the same display design as the previous MacBook Pro with the notch. It comes equipped with a 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display that has a peak brightness of 1600 nits and has support for ProMotion up to 120 Hz. It comes equipped with a 72.4 watt-hour battery that can be charged at up to 96 watt with the provided charging adapter. This particular variant with M3 Max chip comes equipped with a 16-core CPU, 40-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine with 128GB unified memory and 8TB SSD storage. Excited enough? Wait till you hear the price. The 14-inch MacBook Pro with M3 starts at Rs 1,69,900. With M3 Pro, it costs Rs 1,99,900. And with M3 Max, the laptop costs Rs 3,19,900. This particular model costs Rs 6,89,900 in India and is available in either this space black or another silver color option. Do let us know how are you planning to buy this laptop. I'd like a few suggestions for myself. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.